it's Nee. Welcome to Easy Academy. Today we're talking about multiplying fractions. Let's get started. To multiply two fractions together, there are three simple steps to follow. Step 1, multiply the top numbers together. Step 2, multiply the bottom numbers together. And lastly, step 3, simplify the fraction if needed. If your fraction is already at the simplest form of a fraction, you just leave it as the answer. For a better understanding of the topic today, let's practice. It's 1 over 2 times 2 over 5. The first step is to multiply the top numbers together. 1 times 2 is equal to 2. Step 2 is to multiply the bottom numbers together. So 2 times 5, and I get 10 for that. Step 3 is to simplify the fraction. So 2 over 10 is not the simplest form of the answer. So I'm going to divide the top number by 2 and the bottom number by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So 1 over 5 is our final answer. Here is our second example. Let's multiply 3 over 4 by 2 over 4. The first step is to multiply the top numbers together. 3 times 2 is equal to be 6. Then multiply the bottom numbers together. 4 times 4 gets 16. Again, 6 over 16 is not the simplest form of a fraction, so I am going to divide the top and the bottom by 2. 6 divided by 2 and 16 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 gets me 3, and 16 divided by 2 is 8. So 3 over 8 is our final answer. Okay, this is our third example. This one is a little bit different when we multiply fractions with whole numbers. Let's take a look at our example. I have 5 multiplied by 2 over 3. We will rewrite 5 into fraction form. 5 is the same as 5 over 1. Okay? For example, I have a whole number like 6. 6 is the same as 6 over 1. 10 is the same as 10 over 1. Okay? So I will rewrite 5 as 5 over 1 times 2 over 3. Now we just need to apply our 3 simple steps of multiplying fractions. We will multiply the top numbers together. 5 times 2, that gets me 10. Then I will multiply the bottom numbers together. 1 times 3 will get me 3. So 10 over 3 is our final answer because it is the simplest form of a fraction. There is another example, 3 times 5 over 2. Again, 3 is the same as 3 over 1. So I will rewrite it 3 over 1 times 5 over 2. And now multiply the top numbers together. 3 times 5 is 15. 1 times 2 is 2. And this is the simplest form of the fraction, so that is our final answer. That is all for the lesson today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Before we leave, let's review. There are 3 steps to multiply two fractions. Step 1, multiply the top numbers together. Step 2, multiply the bottom numbers. Step 3, simplify the fraction if needed. If your answer is already at the simplest form of the fraction, you just need to leave it as the final answer. I'm going to follow it up with another video about dividing fractions, so stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!